Remove the wheel. We're going to use a 19mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. And remove the wheel. Using a 15/16 wrench, I'm going to loosen up the jam nut. Just got to loosen it, that's it. Now I'm going to use an 18mm socket, take this nut off. And you want to take that tie rod off. It normally doesn't come off that easy. You can use a special puller, or you can just hit it on the top with a hammer. Knock it down like that. Now we're going to unscrew the tie rod, and just make sure you count the threads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that was 18 turns, taking that off. So write that number down. Take the tie rod, and we're going to count the threads going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So put that back where it was. And we can line this up with the knuckle. Put the nut on. Get the nut started. Now I'm going to torque this nut to 26 foot-pounds. Once you torque it, you want to see where the cotter pin hole is. If it's not lined up with the castle nut, you want to tighten it a little more. That's lined up. Take the cotter pin, slide it through. Using some side cutters, just bend the cotter pin. Just fold it over like that. Oops. And then trim the excess. Now tighten up the jam nut. Snug it up good. If you can get a torque wrench to torque it, you want to torque that to 44 foot-pounds. That's good. And put the wheel on. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. After you're done this job, you want to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so you don't have premature tire wear.